In our problem we have
96
times
96
divided by
96
divided by,
96.
and because according to the order of operations we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong. Okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have
96
times
96,
which equals
9,216.
rewrite our problem and we get
9,216
divided by
96
divided by.
96.
So we have to work from left to right.
9,216
Divided by,
96,
which equals
96
divided by,
96.
which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.